I really loved that cybersecurity was so broad that you could do really anything in it. You weren't pigeonholed into doing one thing. Anyone can belong in the industry. Life before the academy was unpredictable. I was working as a nanny and knew that I couldn't do that long term, so as much as I really enjoyed doing it, I knew it wasn't a sustainable career for me, so that was something that was always in the back of my mind and hanging over my head. Almost quite literally the minute I finished the academy, I got my 3rd certification, I got the first job that I applied for, and I just immediately took it, and that just gave me so much stability. I have been very fortunate to have these opportunities, and without them, I don't know if I would still be nannying or what I would have done, but yeah, I definitely think that the scholarship made it possible for me.